Trading without enough capital can be very detrimental towards your success. Now, many people know how to trade, but they trade with limited capital. And that is why we need prop firms or funding programs. Now, in this video, I'm going to introduce to you a very good prop firm. And I believe some of you guys who traded with this prop firm can attest to this, that this prop firm is here to stay. They've not gone anywhere, and they've just been around making improvements to their dashboard, improvements to their website, and also introducing new features and account types to help you as a trader get funding in the easiest way. So without wasting time, guys, let me take you guys onto the screen and I show you some of the features and account types that FundedTraderMarkets has introduced. I hope you guys will find this really helpful for those of you who've been asking me about the prop firm series. I will also be trading my live account that I got with FundedTraderMarkets. I'll show you my certificate in a moment. So if you like this kind of videos, guys, don't skip the video. Watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you can get valuable information that can help you in your prop firm trading journey. Now let's go onto the screen and I'll show you the features that FTM has brought into the trading space. Let's get started. As you can see, this is the homepage for FundedTraderMarkets. On top here, what you're going to be seeing are the running discounts that they have going on at the moment. You have 50% on the two-step evaluation challenge with 15% profit split from your challenges. This is something they've introduced, which is something really good, because as you're trading to pass the challenge, you are also going to get the 15% split from your challenge. And also you can see here instant funding is 30% off. For the one step, you have a 60% off and the same 15% profit from challenges and 100% lifetime profit split. You can achieve that profit split, as I'll explain to you guys as the video goes ahead. So this is a very interactive website that they've developed right here. It's very clean, intuitive, and it is very easy to navigate, as you guys can see right here. Let's look at the homepage in detail. You have no excuses or delays. They've introduced a service where you get your payout within 24 hours. If you don't get your payout within 24 hours after you fulfilled all the trading conditions, you will be given double your withdrawal. If you're withdrawing $1,000 and you don't get it within 24 hours, you will be paid $2,000. So that is something that has been introduced to give you confidence as you're trading that you will be able to get your withdrawal processed quickly. The other thing that they have introduced is you get your withdrawal instantly. You no longer have to wait for 14 days, 7 days, 30 days to get your hard-earned money, right? You can withdraw or request a withdrawal as immediately as you want it, and it will be processed within 24 hours and you get your payout ASAP. So why do traders choose FTM? You get 24 hours support, you get up to 100% profit split, you get on-demand payouts. That's what I was explaining to you guys. You need to get your payout instantly, no problem. You get it when you want it. That is the promise you get from FTM. That alone can be something that can make you more confident when you're trading, knowing that you'll get your payout anytime that you request for it. So you have the best trading conditions, tight spreads, no swaps, and fast execution. I can attest to that the last account I was trading, I did not get any swap fees charged to me. All right, you guys know I am basically a swing trader. I do day trade sometimes, but I mostly swing trade. All my positions that I held for many days and even over the weekend did not accumulate swap fees like many other prop firms do. I have been trading other prop firms, but whenever you hold trades overnight or over the weekend, you get swap fees. I even had a prop firm which charged me a swap fee of up to $125 because I held a position for like 2 weeks running. All right, so I had almost $125 in a swap fees total on all the running trades. But for FundedTraderMarkets, I got 0 swap fees, so I can attest to that, guys. Let's look at the trading accounts that FundedTraderMarkets has introduced. So in the one-step challenge right here, they've introduced an account called Nitro X. This one here with the word new. This one was not there last time that I checked. It was not there. It's a new feature, new account type that has been introduced by FundedTraderMarkets. But I want to first show you all the account types, then we'll come back to this and you guys will be able to compare and contrast which one will work for you best, right? So the Nitro account here you can choose a one-step Nitro account right here. You can choose from 5K to 200K in funding. Look at how cheap these accounts are, guys. Tell me, guys, that you cannot afford $23 to buy a prop firm challenge of $5,000. $23, you'll be able to get a one-step evaluation for a 5K account just for $23. And if you choose, for example, a 50K account, like here, if you choose 50K, it's just $149, right? $149 for a one-step challenge. And if you look at the rules here, that the profit target is 10%, maximum drawdown is 6%, daily drawdown is 4%, profit split is up to 100%, and then there is a consistency score. All right, I am going to explain to you guys later on when we reach the dashboard what the consistency score is all about and how easy it is to maintain a good consistency while you trade. You'll go to the link that I'm going to leave in the description of the video so that you can check out this homepage and look at the account types as much as you want. So I just want to go through this so that we can go through this quickly. You can just know the prices of all this. Okay, so that is for the Nitro one step, and these are the rules to the right here. If you go to Nitro Pro, right, the rules change a bit. As you can see, the account size for 5K is now costing only $15. Guys, tell me if you cannot afford $15 as a trader. Just $15 and you get a 5K one step funding account. Now, when you look at the targets, 8%, okay, just 8%, then the maximum overall drawdown is 3%. What does this mean? This means don't have to lose 3% of your account. It's a 5K account which costs only $15. So tell me, if you pass this account, just one step challenge, you pass this account, you get a profit target of 8%, and then the maximum, you just make sure you don't lose 3% of that account. What does this mean? Just risk 0.5% per trade until you achieve 8%. Guys, you can use the one candlestick strategy that I've shown you here on the channel to pass this account. Even if it takes you like 1 month, 2 months to get this 8% target, it's okay as long as you pass the challenge. This, when you pass the challenge, you just maintain a maximum daily drawdown of 2%. You trade below 2%. So what does this mean? It means you just risk 0.5% to make 1%. You'll be able to pass this challenge and actually make a withdrawal. Now, if you bought this 5K challenge and you made a profit of say $80 during your funded stage, you'll have already recovered your $15 and you'll be in more profit. And then you can go and buy even a bigger challenge like this one of 10K or 25K or even a 50K account after that, right? So let's look at now the Nitro X before we go to the two-step evaluation. Now, this is a new one they've introduced. How does this one work? This one starts from 25K up to 150K in funding. Now, the beauty about this account type that has been introduced by FundedTraderMarkets is that the profit target is 6%, maximum overall drawdown is 3%, and the maximum daily drawdown is 3%, which is very good. It's better than the Nitro Pro. Also, there is something that they introduced here, which is very good. Look at how cheap these accounts are. A 50K account, one step for only $89 with these rules and targets right here. But now what happens is that you pay $59 during the challenge, and when you pass, that is when you pay the rest of the money, which is the activation fee of $125. So instead of you paying, for example, if you go to the two-step standard challenge and you go to the 50K account, you can see that the 50K account here is $209 for the two-step challenge. But instead of you paying all $200 at once, you can come back here to the one-step challenge, choose the 50K account, pay $89, and only when you pass and get funded will you then pay the activation fee, which is $125. It's more like a futures prop firm. The way futures prop firms operate, there is an activation fee. But this one is introduced into DCFD trading for you to be able to get this account at a cheaper price by paying half of the money before you pass the challenge, and only when you pass the challenge will you then pay the $125 for the activation of the account. Isn't that wonderful, guys? Leave your comments down below, guys, if you feel that this is a very good feature that FundedTraderMarkets has introduced. Let's look at the two-step evaluation challenge. This one has two types. There is a two-step speed, which is this one, and these are the rules: 8%, 5%. Those are the profit targets: maximum drawdown 8%, daily drawdown 4%. Okay. And then also you can see the other prices right here for different account types. Then the two-step standard is the one where the profit target is 10%, phase 2 is 5%, and the maximum overall drawdown is 10%, daily drawdown 4%. And all of them have a consistency score that you have to abide by. For instant funding, for a 5K account, if you want to be funded instantly without going through a challenge, you can buy that at $69. But the maximum overall drawdown is 5%, daily drawdown is 3%, and then there is a simulated funding, which is yes. Okay. And also they have a consistency score, right? The fee is $69. So for each account, you can see the fee that you pay to get instantly funded. Now, many people have been complaining about the consistency score. I want to explain to you guys that in a moment, and it's very easy to follow the consistency score and be able to reach payout. So here they also have the Pro, which is cheaper, but they don't have maximum daily drawdown, but the overall drawdown is now 3%. Okay, they have 3%. You can actually get this and you'll be able to get a withdrawal if you know how to trade. If you've been following the one candlestick strategy, you will be able to trade this and successfully get a withdrawal. If you're enjoying the video so far, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below with your questions. And guys, let's go on to my dashboard now, and I will show you guys the account that I was able to get funding with FundedTraderMarkets. Here on my dashboard, guys, you can see that I am funded. You can see that this account is active and it is on MT5. One other thing that I wanted to tell you is that last time when I was trading with FundedTraderMarkets, they did not have their own in-house broker and server, but now they have introduced their own servers. So they have their own MT5 servers, which are in-house. There is no more third-party broker. FundedTraderMarkets deals with all your trades in-house. They have in-house broker that handles all your trading with the prop firm. All right, so you can trade with peace of mind, knowing that FundedTraderMarkets will handle all your trades and give you the right execution speeds without swap fees and with tight spreads. So let me show you guys the metrics of this account. I've just gotten this account, so I'll just show you the metrics. I've not taken any trades on this account. I'm going to start taking trades on this account following a series of videos, so you guys can follow along so that you can see how we'll trade this using the one candlestick strategy until we get a payout. Now let me explain to you guys what the consistency score is. Here the consistency score is 45%. Now for the consistency rule, if you have a consistency rule of like 45% or 50% on your account, it's very easy to achieve it. Now what you have to do is make sure that no single day's total profit is taking more than the consistency score that is required of you for the total number of days that you have traded. Here on my account, I have a consistency score that is required of me of 45%. So this 45%, if I've traded like for 5 days and I have made different trades on different days and different profits, no single day's total profit should be more than 45% of the total profit that I've made for all those trading days. So let's look at what the consistency rule is about. All right, in a challenge phase, you should not make more than 50%. That is to say, half of the profit target in one day, which means if the profit target is, for example, 10% or 8%, don't make 5% in one day, or don't make 4% in one day if the profit target is 8%. And now in the simulated phase, you should not have more than 45% of the total profit in one day. That's what it means. So you don't have to make more than 45% in one single day. Like if you're taking trades and you have like a total of 10 trades in 10 different days, all right, the consistency score is not something that is difficult to achieve. You can achieve this if you follow proper risk management. Make sure you don't make more than the consistency score that is required of you in one single day. Make sure you spread that out so that you have at least all the days getting consistent profit. For example, if your profit target is $1,000, make sure you divide that $1,000 and spread it across all days so that you get like $200 today, $200 the next day, $250, $200, like that. Don't make $500 in one day, then the following day you make $100, $150, like that. Okay, so just follow that and you'll be good to go, guys. This is the account. It's on MT5. You can choose to trade on MT5. You can choose to trade on Match Trader. You can choose to trade on C Trader. If you go to downloads, you can be able to see here they have platform 5. They have C Trader, they have all these, all right? Match Trader, they also have Trade Locker here, right? So you can just choose the platform that you like to trade on. So for me, I'm going to be trading on platform 5, which is MT5 on this account, all right? Let me show you guys my certificate right here to show you that I actually got funded. You can see this is my certificate here. I'll also put a bigger picture right here so that you guys can be able to see that I actually got funded. So guys, yeah, that is it about Funded Trader Markets. It's a very beautiful prop firm. Guys, I don't see a reason why you should not take advantage of this to get your funding to the next level. Please use the link in the description of this video. That is specially for you guys. And also use the discount codes that you see on the website for you to get a good price for Funded Trader Markets. Get yourself an account of your choice that you feel that fits you well, fits your trading style well, and get started on your trading journey with Funded Trader Markets. Please again, use the links in the description of the video when you sign up and get an account with Funded Trader Markets. It will really be of great benefit for you. Also join the free Telegram channel where I share free signals from time to time. Or you can sign up with the VIP signals where I send out VIP signals to help you with your trading. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.